What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today we are doing a makeup video because I haven't done one in a while. Fall is in the air, so I just want to like sit down, do a little chit chat, get ready with me sort of video and try to create kind of a fall inspired look. And I am doing a giveaway in today's video, so stay tuned for that. But without further ado, if you guys want to get ready with me and create a little fall inspired makeup look, then just keep watching. I am rocking my Sasha ponytail. You guys know, having a little hair nightmare at the moment, so I just decided to kind of slick my hair back today and put on this little ponytail. I'll leave it linked in the description box, but I love it. It's super, super long. Gives you all the inches. But I do want to start off by saying thank you to Dozier for partnering with me on a small portion of today's video. You guys know I'm obsessed with Dozier perfumes. They are a luxury inspired perfume brand. I've talked about them in multiple videos and I am just obsessed with their perfumes. They last so well on the skin. I don't like paying tons of money for my perfume because I do love lots of different scents. This is a great way for me to be able to purchase scents at a fraction of the cost, but still getting that luxury scent that I love and appreciate. So I wanted to show you guys two new perfumes that I just received. This one is called Fruity Magnolia. I am really excited because Dozier just kind of updated all of the names of their fragrances. And as I've said in the past, when you purchase a perfume from Dozier, it comes in a full-size bottle, but you also get this little sample size, so you can actually sample the perfume out, and if you don't like it, you can send it back. Also, each little perfume comes with an insert that tells you all about that perfume, and this one is inspired by Versace's Bright Crystal perfume, and I really wanted something more fruity this time. I usually stick to like more warm scents. And then this one right here is called Floriental Cedarwood, and this one is inspired by Mugler Alien perfume. This has notes of jasmine, cedarwood, amber, vanilla, so I felt like this was going to be kind of a light, kind of sexy fragrance. And I've said this in the past, I love Dozier because of course they're affordable, but two, because they really do last on the skin. And Dozier's perfumes range anywhere from $29 to $39, and those are for the same designer fragrances that you would find on shelves for anywhere from $50 to even $200+. So you are getting an amazing deal. If you guys have not checked out Dozier yet, I highly recommend it. I will have a link in the description box for you guys to check out. Now let's go ahead and get on into this fall inspired makeup look. So I'm actually gonna put in my little Studio ETT earbud so that I can listen to some music. I stay on track better when I'm listening to music and doing my makeup. But today I'm gonna start out with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation. I kind of rediscovered this in my collection and I forgot how much I love it. It has such great coverage and I've been using this color. This is called Buttermilk and it's such a good match for me. Just gonna put this all over. I actually meant to do my eyes first because I do want to do a little bit more of a dramatic eye look today. Also, I got new lights and I cannot get them to like stay the same. They keep changing on me and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I literally cannot figure out these lights. Then I'm going to go in with my cream bronzer by Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade Macchiato. And honestly, ever since I got this cream bronzer, it's pretty much all I use. I just feel like it goes on so easily and it's such a great color. And I honestly have been doing cream products so much more recently. Also trying out a few new products in this video. If you watched my vlog, I did a little bit of a haul, makeup haul. I got some things from Sephora. I got some things from Ulta. This is basically like a dark under eye eraser from Charlotte Tilbury and I got the shade Fair Pale. But what I've been doing with this is literally just taking a little dot of it and dabbing that right in the inner corner of my eye just to help brighten that area up. That's where I get the most darkness. I really do like that product a lot. I feel like it definitely makes a big difference. I'm just going in with a little bit of concealer and I'm going in with the Tart Shape Tape because it is my OG and it never does me wrong. And I'm just using a tiny bit and again making sure that I get that inner corner. I'm just going in with my beauty blender to blend all of that out. Who has watched the documentary about the, I forget what it's called, the American Family or whatever, the guy that killed his wife and his 2 kids, well, his 3 kids, his pregnant wife and his 2 kids. Wow. I watched that the other night because I had actually followed that story very, very closely when it actually like hit the news media outlets. I was literally so sickened and appalled by it. I just could not believe that people like that exist in the world, you know? So when this documentary came out, I knew I had to watch it. How in the world anyone can get to a place where they can do something so heinous? Like, oh my gosh. If you like murder mystery type of stuff, then I would recommend definitely watching it. Just be forewarned, it is very, very disturbing. I'm gonna try to quickly do my brows. I'm gonna kind of fast forward through this because brows are always boring. I've been using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This is the one that has like more of an angled tip to it. I can do my brows super, super fast with, and I kind of use this to outline the brow. And then I've been going in with Glossier Brow Flick, and I just use this kind of at the front of my brow to create more brow-like hairs. Go in with my Boy Brow from Glossier to kind of finish it off and keep everything in place. So those are the 3 products that I've kind of been using consistently. Another thing that I've been absolutely loving is this by Fenty Beauty. It's the Universal Invisimatte Blotting Powder. I've been using this just to basically set my under eye, but this works really well at kind of setting those areas that, you know, kind of move more. And I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer. This is the Marc Jacobs Tastic Bronzer, just to warm the face up a little bit more. And since I'm doing a more fall inspired look, I kind of want my cheeks to match the more fallish colors. So I'm going in with this blush by Burts Bees, and this is called Toasted Cinnamon. If you've never tried their blushes, literally some of the best on the market. So underrated, I feel like, and they stay put. Like, I feel like, you know, blush is always like one of the first things to fade. These blushes really do stay put. All right, we are gonna get started on the eyes, which is my favorite part. And I'm going in with this palette right here. This is the Goddess palette by Alter Ego. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I really wanted to kind of use some of these golds. This is like a green iridescent type of color, but it's got your browns and stuff in here as well. So felt like this is the one that was speaking to me today. I do want to go ahead and mention the giveaway is going to be for 2 of the Alter Ego palettes that I absolutely love and adore. The Sahara palette, and mine is super, super dirty because I use it all the time. But again, this would be a really great fall palette as well. Also the Aurora palette from Alter Ego, which is this one right here. It's got some beautiful berry tones, but also has some beautiful like yellow tones. These are the ones that are not open. I'm giving away both of these palettes to 1 lucky subscriber. So basically all you need to do is be subscribed to my channel, go ahead and give this video a like, and you can leave me any comment that you would like. I will be picking a winner out of all the comments. I'm gonna give it probably, I haven't decided, maybe 5 days or so. This is gonna be for US only. All right, so instead of like walking you through each step that I'm doing, I'm just gonna go ahead and dive in and start doing this look. I just wanna kind of like chat about life. How's everyone doing? I can't believe that it's already fall. We skipped spring, we skipped summer, and then of course after having PRK surgery, I feel like the last month and a half has kind of been a wash because I basically had to stay indoors and not do anything. I want to know what type of videos you guys want to see more from me. Do you guys like favorite videos? Those used to be so popular, and I love watching those type of videos. You guys tell me, like, would you want more get ready with me videos, or do you want me to stick to more curly hair stuff? I get bored very quickly doing the same type of videos over and over and over again. I love watching a variety of types of videos, so that's kind of what I like to create as well, but obviously I want to give you guys what you want. So let me know in the comments what type of videos you guys would like to see from me. I really feel like I need some creative help here. You know what I mean?
Don't stop the beat, I'ma let you move around till the time get you. Don't stop the beat, I'ma let you dance around till we face the ground. Don't stop the beat, I'ma let you move around till the time get you. Don't stop the beat, I'ma let you dance around till we face the ground. Don't stop the beat, I'ma let you move around till the time get you.
And I am gonna do a little bit of eyeliner, and this is the one that I've been using nonstop. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Feline Flick. I am able to get like a small little wing when I want to, so I really love this.
Don't stop the beat, I'ma let you dance around till we face the ground. Don't stop the beat, I'ma let you move around.
And this is kind of what I've been doing, like a little bit of a flick, and then I kind of stop barely halfway on my lid, and it just helps to like elongate my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with this Urban Decay 24/7 liner in Mildew. It's a really not a very pleasant name for an eyeliner, but it's green, so that's why it's called Mildew. And this is why I really wanted to do my eyes first, because I do have some fallout from that glittery shade. And I really don't want to do a ton on the lower lash line because I want to keep everything nice and elongated. I'm just going to do just a tiny, tiny bit on the lower lash line. I am going to use this Becca highlight. It is called Champagne Gold. I have not used this in so long, so hopefully it looks okay. I really hope that it's not too golden. Guess we will find out. Yes, 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 yes. That is what I wanted. This is why it's important to shop your stash, because I've got so many items that I've used a handful of times and just like haven't even thought twice about in a long time. And then I pull them out and remember why I bought them. I mean, I'm obsessed with this. This is so pretty. I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes, add a coat of mascara, and pop on some falsies. So for my lashes, what I actually did was I cut my Virago Babe Penelope lashes in half and then just used them on the outer corners. Again, I just wanna keep it in that like feline type of shape. Last thing is lips, and I'm gonna go in with the Mented Nude Lip Pencil and also the Mented Peach Please lipstick. A little bit of the Kim K1 Nude right in the center just to kind of make it look a little more plump. And I'm gonna top it with a little bit of gloss. So a lot of lip products, but that's what we're gonna do. Here's the gloss that I'm using. This is the Pixie Lip Icing in the shade Cake. That's got these like little gold flecks, so I felt like it would complement the eyes. I'm just adding that kind of to the center of the lips. And I did already set my face. I'm actually testing this out. This is the Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist. This is the final fall makeup inspired look. I hope you guys really, really enjoyed it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like the way that my makeup turned out. This again was done with the Goddess palette from Alter Ego. Make sure to enter the giveaway for the other two palettes, Sahara palette and the Aurora palette. That is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love playing with makeup, so this was so much fun. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.